Welcome to this video on soft starters, where we'll master the art of smooth mechanical ramp-up for electric motors. This content is valuable for students, teachers, electricians, and homeowners alike. We begin with the fundamental challenge. Why do motors need protection from sudden starts? Direct online starts cause high inrush current and torque shock, which can damage mechanical and electrical systems. So what exactly is a soft starter? It's a solid-state device that gradually increases voltage over a set ramp time, unlike a standard switch that hits the motor with full power instantly. This reduces electrical surge and minimizes mechanical shock. Soft starters significantly reduce the electrical impact. A direct online start can cause a current spike of up to 300% of the rated current. A soft start offers a controlled ramp-up, reducing this to around 150%. At the heart of the soft starter are thyristors, or SCRs. These semiconductor switches control the flow of electricity by precisely chopping the AC sine wave to control the root mean square voltage. This phase control mechanism involves 3 stages: triggering, where the gate is triggered at a specific, delay angle; ramping, where the firing angle decreases to pass more of the wave; finally, bypass, where a contactor closes for efficiency once full speed is reached. Soft starters offer mechanical longevity. They reduce wear on belts and couplings, lead to cooler motors, and lower maintenance needs. They are ideal for applications like conveyors, pumps, and heavy mixers, and prevent water hammer in piping systems. Homeowners also benefit, particularly with HVAC and well pumps. Soft starters prevent light flickering, ensure quieter compressor operation, and eliminate pipe shaking and water hammer. From an electrician's perspective, soft starters offer easy setup with simple adjustments for start voltage, ramp time, and current limit. They are space-saving compared to variable frequency drives, but remember, they only control speed during start/stop, not continuous running. Comparing soft starters to VFDs, soft starters are for start/stop control, have low to moderate cost, and are compact with low complexity. VFDs offer continuous speed control, are higher cost, and are larger and more complex, often requiring filters for harmonics. In terms of torque performance, soft starters eliminate the hammering effect of standard motor starts. A direct online start shows a sudden torque peak, while a soft start maintains a smooth, controlled ramp.